Hey, how's it going everyone? In today's video we're going to be installing bolt-on rock sliders on an '07 to 2014 Toyota FJ Cruiser. Let's get to it. Alright, so today we are going to install these FJ rock sliders on Blue Ox's beautiful FJ. The installation is pretty simple. Each slider comes with 9 grade 10 bolts and washers. They bolt on directly to the frame. No cutting, no welding needed. No drilling, nothing, just straight to the frame. So the first thing that we're gonna do is take off these stock steps. These should have, I'm sorry, they're not stock actually, they're NFAB steps. So the difference between steps and rock sliders is that the steps go onto the body, not to the frame. So if you were to get into a rocky situation where you need rock sliders, these will not handle that abuse. As you can tell, these brackets right here, they're about 3/16 thick brackets that go directly on to the body. So see, there you go. So if you were to smash this, you're definitely smashing the body. So these are this is the area that we're going to use, which is the frame, obviously. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so there's no bolts right here, but these should be, let's see, 12 mil bolts. You should have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 if you have stock steps. Remove them. Oops. There you go. Alright, before you install your rock sliders, definitely wipe down the frame as best as you can, nothing crazy, as long as there's no clumped up mud. And you're also going to remove this brake line right here, this 12. And the rock slider is going to go under this bracket, so just put it under, and then this is going to go over the mounting plate. So let's get going with that. Okay, for this part, you could either have a friend help you, or if you have a transmission jack, that's the way we like to do it here. Kind of levels the rock slider. So the install isn't crazy. All you have to do is just basically place the slider up against the frame. And then if you're using this, obviously you will just lift it until the holes line up. And start running the bolts through. So you will be supplied with the hardware. It's gonna be 18 grade 10 bolts with washers. These will be running through the holes on the frame, and that's pretty much it. So here they are installed. Super simple, not complicated at all. Fully bolt on, utilizing holes on the frame. In the front, right here, we have this plate. You'll just put this over that mounting plate and then put the bolts through here to tighten it down. This is to accommodate for newer models of FJ. I think they're from 2010 to 12. They're a little bit different, but that's what this is for. But yeah, super simple to install. It should take you at least like an hour max to install these. So here they are, fully installed. Completely transforms the look of the truck. But yeah, FJ rod sliders. We also carry them for the Tacoma, GX, 4Runners, Sequoias. We're gonna soon start carrying them for the new Land Cruisers. And yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Peace out.